Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making safety absolute. Unplug the machine and wait at least 30 minutes so heating elements cool. Once done, open the front cover and remove all pouches and any visible jammed media. This prevents tearing during disassembly. Use a magnetic tray for screws and lay out Phillips #1, a flat driver, a small socket, and needle nose pliers. Make sure you document screw locations as you go so reassembly is straightforward. You now remove the rollers and drive components to access the core. First, release any roller tension by lifting locks or removing spring clips. This prevents bending the shafts. Then unscrew the outer housing panels and ease the feed roller assembly out as a unit. Once exposed, photograph the belt, gear positions, and sensor pickups. This makes reassembly accurate. If a belt is seized, free it gently rather than forcing parts. Forced movement can strip plastic gears. You finish by removing the heater housing screws and carefully disconnecting thermal fuse and thermostat wires. Label connectors. Clean roll surfaces with 70–90% isopropyl and replace any frayed belts or cracked rollers, because worn parts cause jams and wrinkles. Reseat sensors and cable harnesses in their original positions and reassemble panels in reverse order. When done, plug in. Run a low-temperature test with a scrap pouch and watch for smoke or odd noise. If present, unplug and check wiring or heater placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.